Today I'm showing you how to make the best ever one skillet wonder, creamy chicken and gnocchi. In just 25 minutes, you'll have a plate of comforting rich flavors, tender bite-sized chicken pieces tossed with fluffy gnocchi and bathed in a delicious cream sauce. We'll start by browning the chicken to lock in the flavor, saute some garlic and then deglaze the pan. And then we're going to whip up a velvety cream sauce with a hint of garlic and parmesan, and we're cooking the gnocchi in the sauce. And then we're just adding sun-dried tomatoes, parmesan cheese, and don't forget about the spinach. You're going to get that delicious Tuscan flavor in every bite. Mix it all together and there you have it. Creamy chicken and gnocchi, a quick satisfying meal that you're going to love. I mean, look at that. It's so creamy and smooth. It's savory and utterly divine. I hope that you enjoy this.